Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and today I'm going to show you how to use Zapier with Notion. So first of all, let's go to Zapier and create a Zap, and our trigger will be obviously Notion, and the event will be new database item. So let's continue and give authorization to Notion. Alright, select all, allow access, and there we go. And okay, select journal and continue. So now let's test our trigger. Alright, so this is working. Click continue, and then our action will be a Trello. When there will be a new item in Notion, a Trello card will be created. That's our Zap. So yeah, all you have to do is connect your Trello account, and then you're just few clicks away from making this work. Yeah, just click allow and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the another one.